Cryptocurrency has evolved significantly, but even in 2025, both beginners and seasoned investors still fall into common traps. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 crypto mistakes that can derail your investment journey, and how to avoid them. Whether you're new to crypto or a veteran, these insights will help you navigate the market smarter and more confidently. Mistake 1. FOMO, fear of missing out. FOMO remains one of the biggest pitfalls for crypto investors. What it looks like: buying into a coin because it's trending or because everyone is talking about it. Why it's a problem: this often leads to buying at the peak of a price surge, only to watch the value plummet. How to avoid it: stick to a solid strategy, conduct your own research, DYOR, and avoid making impulsive decisions based on social media hype. Mistake 2. Not securing investments properly. Crypto security is critical, yet many investors neglect it. What it looks like: keeping large amounts of funds on exchanges, using weak passwords, or ignoring two-factor authentication, 2FA. Why it's a problem: exchanges can be hacked, and lack of security can expose you to theft. How to avoid it: use hardware wallets for long-term storage, enable 2FA, and always double-check URLs to avoid phishing scams. Mistake 3. Ignoring portfolio diversification. Putting all your money into one cryptocurrency is risky. What it looks like: betting everything on Bitcoin, Ethereum, or a single altcoin. Why it's a problem: crypto markets are volatile, and a single asset's downturn could wipe out your portfolio. How to avoid it: diversify across large-cap coins, promising altcoins, and stablecoins. This spreads risk and increases your chances of growth. Mistake 4. Overtrading or chasing quick profits. Many investors trade excessively, trying to time the market perfectly. What it looks like: constant buying and selling without a clear strategy or chasing small price movements. Why it's a problem: overtrading can lead to high fees, emotional decisions, and potential losses. How to avoid it: adopt a mix of strategies, such as long-term holding, hodling, and selective trading. Focus on quality over quantity. Mistake 5. Underestimating tax and regulatory implications. Crypto profits often come with tax obligations. What it looks like: failing to report earnings, not keeping track of transactions, or ignoring regulatory changes. Why it's a problem: this can lead to legal trouble, penalties, or audits. How to avoid it: keep detailed records of all transactions and consult a tax professional familiar with cryptocurrency laws in your country. Bonus tips to avoid all these mistakes: stay educated, the crypto market evolves quickly. Follow reliable news sources, watch educational content, and participate in community discussions. Use trusted platforms. Always trade and invest on secure and reputable exchanges to minimize risk. Ready to start your crypto journey or refine your strategies? Open an account with one of the most trusted forex and crypto trading platforms by clicking the link in the description or comments below. It's the first step towards smarter investing in 2025. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with your network, and subscribe to our channel for more tips and strategies on crypto investing. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. We're here to help. Drop your questions or comments below, and let's discuss how to make 2025 your most successful year in crypto yet.
Here we go. I see the light inside you, brighter than the skies. Hold on, just let us escape and fly away tonight.